Hi everyone, it's Sam from Sitemate. When it comes to plant and equipment used on site, it's important to make sure that they're inspected regularly and maintained in good working condition, safe for your teams to use and operate. In this video, we're going to look at how you can use Dashpivot to streamline your inspection process, capturing records digitally in the field and keeping everything organized and easy to find. So we've got a equipment inspection checklist or plant inspection checklist here set up inside of Dashpivot already. No forms have been created just yet. So we're going to click this green button over here to add a new checklist. You'll see that this particular template has already been set up. So we've got a series of fields for date, drop-downs, text, tables, etc. I'm going to start to fill out some of these fields. So we'll put in the inspection date, maybe it's 7:30 in the morning. The equipment we're inspecting might be a 10-ton excavator. We can punch in the manufacturer, the plant ID, or this might be a registration number, something like that. And we can proceed to fill out all of these fields. So we've got a section for each inspection item if there are different aspects of the piece of plant that we're inspecting, and we can leave a result for whether it's satisfactory or not. And then we've got some sections in this template for general safety condition, section for repairs needed, and related to repairs, we might need to take some photos, which is really handy in the Dashpivot app. You can click the Add Photos button. It'll open up the camera. You can take a photo, tag it, add your description as normal, and then as you save it, it'll be linked into this inspection that you're filling out. And we can proceed to fill out all of these fields as per the template that we have set up in Dashpivot. And then once we're happy with what we've filled out this form with, we can hit save, and you'll see that we'll have that record now stored inside of Dashpivot. Now over time you'll probably end up with something that looks a little more like this, where you've got all of your inspections organized day by day, and in this case we've set it up so that the item of plant that we've inspected, the piece of equipment, is actually shown on the form thumbnail, which is quite handy. So we can, if we need to pick on any particular item of plant, we can go ahead and open that. Another really neat thing about Dashpivot is that we can convert these forms and the information inside each of these forms into a register with one click. We can just click register up here, and you'll see that it's taken all of our fields and converted them into columns. So we've got a column for all our photos, we've got a column for the description and the inspection date and time, and this is really handy because we can start to apply filters. So if we wanted to look at all the inspections that were completed in the current week, we could apply a filter there. And then if we wanted to refine our search again by a particular piece of plant or equipment, we could do that again and say, all right, show me the 10-ton roller. And what that's going to do is refine all of our results, and we can apply multiple filters across multiple columns to return the results that we need. And from here, if we need to download this particular form as a PDF, or we want to export this into Excel, it's very easy to do from the register view. We can just click this button over here, make a selection, and the export options appear at the top. So we can export it as a CSV. If we want to put it into Excel, we can export this register as a PDF, or we can download the individual form as a PDF as well, which is the same as if I open up the form and click this download as PDF button up the top here. So if you want to get started with a plant inspection template, we do have one available in the free template library. If you go to your template section, click on Add New Template, and select Choose from Free Public Template Library, and run a search for Equipment Inspection Checklist, you'll get some results. If you need help, the best place to go is our Help Center. So we've got inside of Dashpivot, we've got a Help Center built in with all sorts of articles and explainer videos and walkthroughs explaining different aspects of the software. But if you can't find what you're looking for, we've always got the live chat here on the website as well. That's really how you can record plant inspections quickly using Dashpivot to ensure that plant and equipment is always in good working order for your teams to use and operate in the field. I hope that this has been useful, and thanks for watching.